Ladies Chat on the Midday Connection.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
If you've just joined us, it's time for Ladies Chat right here on the Midday Connection. And of course, joining us in studio is Zamalinda Macebe Kulu, who helps us really navigate conversations that, really dig into women conversations and how women think and getting to a psychology of understanding about besifazane. Tina is we want to make sure that we're kept abreast in everything that's happening in these complicated creatures' minds. Sekubingelela Zama, how are you?
Nyambose. Plus wena you just recently got a complicated creature.
So
nje nkulumo lena ibalekile kuwe.
Kabi.
Hayi asishaye ndoda.
So today, very good. How are you, Mom?
Ngiyaphila.
No, it's good to speak to you. Listen, we're talking about love languages namhlanje. It's a very interesting conversation because it's one most people take for granted. Uhlekani Sonic?
Wahleka uSonic mfethu awukakhulumisha isentence.
Cabanga uhlekani Ncimbini?
Hey, yabo nje le ntoba love language ngeke mfethu.
Awukahle isumo.
Akasizi.
Cha mina ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuthi ufuna ukuthini yazi Nyambose.
Nami I think lento yakade ufuna ukisho isuthi nje impela kodwa ke yasimnikeza ithuba idigest uzogcina seyishilo lento afuna ukisho. We're talking about love languages and maybe just to start off for someone who doesn't know lente ishama love languages, maybe take us through them so that people understand them and maybe we can then dive into a conversation about which one of these love languages that we don't focus time on them and maybe like learn a bit more about them. So give us maybe an overview of love languages.
So in general, psychologists did a compilation of the 5 love languages. One of them is words of affirmation. Another one is affection, meaning that physical touch is something that encourages you. Words of affirmation, uyakhuthazeka umuntu mayencoma ekunikeza ama compliments, right? Ekvalidate ama emotions akho. Equality time is just being able to spend good time together, making sure you are building emotional connection, and then you've got acts of service, which tends to be the one that we do very easily without really thinking about intentionality behind it. Ngoba we serve each other very naturally in each other's homes, right? So have any words of affirmation, quality time, affection, acts of service, and then it's gifts. Again yazi ko mama ke bathanda ke ngama gifts ke bafowethu ama gifts aza ngeindlela eziningi.
And in your coaching experience, which of these are most neglected?
So I would say, like I said earlier, Uguti, I think oftentimes ama acts of service can be very much easily seen because ngiyawondla umndeni, ngiyaseva la ekhaya, ngiyayikhokhela ibond, right? So it's easy to see those things. But I think what often gets neglected is words of affirmation because they feel too soft for a lot of people, right?
Sure.
Quality time can end up being ignored because if we are just together in the same space, sihlala sonke, siphila sonke la endlini, ngiyakubona mangihamba ngisuka emsebenzini, ngiyakubona mangibuya. So there's almost an assumed we are spending time, and there's sometimes it's really not really happening. There's been a meme going around that I saw recently saying ukuthi ngathi nje kodwa induna isingibona sengiqhamuka neimbali induna ngakithi. So just little things like that, like sometimes guys can feel a bit awkward about even things like ama gifts for abantu babo. Kunezinto esithi masizenza masizwana nomuntu esithandana naye siyazi ukuthi uyamazi ukuthi umama thekisa kanjani umama wasendlini.
Sure.
Uyazi ukuthi yini emhlulayo.
But don't these things rely on personality types? Ukuthi abantu bakhiwe kanjani? Uzothola omunye umuntu akanandaba nama gifts kodwa unamndaba namazwi. Mhlawumbe anandaba mhlambe ne touch kodwa unendaba mhlambe with acts of service. So how do you go about finding out ukuthi lo muntu enginaye iyiphi I love language ezo resonate naye kakhulu?
I think one of the most important things manthandana is to become students of each other. To exercise curiosity towards each other, right? Uyayibona ukuthi kunezinto mhlawumbe uthi mawumnikeza igift umuntu wena uyitshela ukuthi hey uthenga into enkulu, but mawumnikeza ubona iresponse engathi ayimatchi i-energy ofike ngayo ngale gift yabo, that tells you ukuthi mhlawumbe that's not necessarily their love language. But mhlawumbe mangabe fika endlini ekufica uphekile ingane zenza homework nje uyabona oh okay then this person's love language is acts of service and they actually overflow with appreciation mabe fixa wenze lezo zinto. So sometimes it's just figuring out ukuthi how do I learn how to speak your love language, how do you learn how to speak mine ukuze sikwazi ukukhula sonke in our love and our connection.
Hey mina ngisana kuphoxeka.
Uphoxekile mngani wami.
Negotiate indaba ye Valentine.
Okay.
Ngithi angudlali mina Valentine Nkosi.
We.
Ewayimosha. Wathi kanti la uphuma khona ubuwenze njani? Ngathi ufuna ukucompetition la ngiphuma khona nala. Ngaphuma emaphozeni.
Okay.
Ngehle staffini.
Okay.
Ngenxa lo mbuzo nje.
Love language wama understand ukuthi angudlala uValentines.
Akuyona love language
Every day uValentines like mina ngiyaspoilana nje kodwa kele lutho.
Okay, so usumspoile kangakanani before umtshela ukuthi angimdlala uValentine?
Kwale nkulumo ngangispoila nje izimoshe ke umspoilo wami.
Phoku mosheka kanjani umuntu umspoila mngani wami?
Akamosheka.
Okay, buyenza
conversation nje iyona izinto nje amagama.
Shoot, there was not much affirmation happening.
Ukuthi yaboma ngelibeko uyalibeka. Yaboma ngelibeko uyalibeka. Akudlala uValentine kodwa ungangikhombisa.
Right.
That's what I said.
And so that's what I mean by becoming a student or students of each other.
Yes.
Right? Like my husband used to say to me, Guti, I want Guti by the time we are 80 years old, kumele ngibe ne PhD in Zamalinda.
Jesus.
Wow, that's good.
What does
That's
it look
good.
like to love you? How do I learn to love you? How do I grow in loving you? Umuntu mawumthanda, it's not about you, right? It's about how do I build the other person up? How do I make an effort and commit myself? Ekutheni ngikwazi. I love one of, good Genesis, I think oftentimes that verse is read wrong. Adam wamazi uEva, right? It's not just talking about who they had a sexual encounter with each other, but it's this idea of we're going to discover each other, we're going to encounter each other, we're going to explore, we're going to journey together to a place of into me you see. That's how sometimes intimacy is described, right? Into me you see. Ukuthi ngikubona kanjani in the relationship. So
sure.
I think oftentimes ukuthi sikhuluma like you said mina angidlali iValentine. But if uku relationship nomuntu, okay, but if uku relationship nomuntu othi uyazi mina abanye abesifazane namhlanje office yazi bekungena nje kubuthaphutaphu bama gifts kubuthaphutaphu bama chocolates, mina I was twiddling my thumbs because umuntu wami uthe akayidlali iValentine.
Show me.
Ukutshelile nje.
Show me.
What do you mean by show me? Mhlambe elaborate.
uValentine's yini?
Angithi kuye. It may not mean something to you, but kuye it means something. Okay. So oftentimes I think that's where we get it wrong, is that we think for something to be important to me, it must be important, or for something to be important, it needs to be important to me. Instead of ibalekile kulomuntu engizwana naye, whether mina ngiunderstand or not, whether mina ngikhulele angazi kwanyuso noma kuphi la mhlawumbe engakhulanga ngeValentine
ulusa wena.
Uyayibona indaba manje sengifika lana usungitshela ngoValentine induna manje bele ngibone ngiqhamuka nezimbali.
Ngisamile ka show.
Understand ukuthi I understand leyo nto.
Ngikhombise le love language yakho le.
Yeah, angithi that's what women are trying to say. They are saying I'm showing.
The only thing women are showing ukuthi bafuna imali kuphela. Ile nto kabekhomsayo.
Ilo
abagejike lapho ke.
Ileyo any decider ukuthi niyibuke more because yona cost the most, right?
Imali.
Yes. So that's the one you choose to.
Yini engakhosti yomuntu wesifazane?
Quality time.
Iyacosta nayo.
You can literally sit with each other on the couch. One of the things that I love is just being able to watch football with my husband. And it's about me walking sometimes into his world and about him walking into mine. I don't play golf. I hate golf. It's 18 holes of chasing a little ball around. But sometimes because ngifuna ukuba ne quality time naye, I'm going to go on the golf course. I'm going to drive the golf cart for him while he plays golf. And that's me just saying, I'm going to walk into your world. I'm going to love you in this way. And while we are at it, we are spending quality time.
Ngiyakuzwa mina mzala, kodwa stila namabhedi thina.
Nani namabhedi engathi nonke namabhedi wena Nyambo sithini love language yakho lapho Nyambo sake siphume kulona ophume emagozini
asamenze itolo masibuya so find out ukuthi thini love language ya Nyambo.
Ladies Chat on the Midday Connection.
But mina personally, like I feel like lento yama love languages mhlawumbe ngingazi kuthiwa mhlawumbe usone ku negative nani ngoba kuthiwa sebebehethile la yabo no, it's not that, but I feel like lento yama love languages ilenda kahle mhlawumbe uma senihambe iminyaka eminingi o senazana kangcono emjolweni mhlawumbe typically speaking Valentine's, I feel like there's just a whole expectation ukuthi amajito kufanele ajabulisa amathekeni kodwa ku celebrate uthando kanti olabalo uthando lu celebratewayo akufanele nisijabulisane and create a space for us la uma sikhuluma ngama love languages nami yami ngiyibeka uma ngithi ngudlala uValentine's I can understand, but I must be open minded mathi ngifundiseke your love language, bring me to this Valentine's Day ofuna si celebrate futhi kanjani.
100%. You know, I think it's important to understand that when we're talking love languages, it's mutually edifying. It's not ukuthi kukhona omunye on a higher load kunomunye, right? When love is expected, it stops being seen. When it becomes this is your role, right? Love languages die when gratitude disappears or must feel entitled to certain things. But I think ukubalekile ukuthi okay, wena udlala uValentine's yini oyidlalayo kunokuthi usho into ongayidlali, isho into oyithandayo. Like, would it be encouraging for you ukuthi akubhukhele somewhere nidle lunch together? Would it be nice for her to get you a gift? What do you play? What's your love language? Instead of saying ukuthi angidlali eyakho, what is yours?
Teach me.
Exactly. So angithi she's showing you, then you also need to show her yours so that you are both able to have each other's needs met and you are both seen in the equation.
Mina Zama, I want to find out, like, how do you then communicate your love language without sounding like needy or being overbearing umuntu? Because ngiyaqonda mhlambe and communicating indlela efanayo lezinto. So we communicate kanjani in a healthy way where you guys get to really, like, what you're saying, being students of each other.
I think speak from a place of impact, not accusation. What do I mean by that? Wow, I love it when you do ABCD.
Oh yeah.
Instead of you never get me this.
That's good.
Right? Speak from a place of I'm appreciative when you do something like this instead of wangafani nabanye wena ungenzi kanjeni.
Jesus.
You know, when the love language is spoken, be loud about your appreciation. You know, most of us tend to be very negative about when we don't feel loved, when we are not hearing our love language, but can be quite negative, can be silent. Umuntu mangabe sitshengisa indlela asithanda ngayo, right? So I think you validate that which you want to see happen more often. If kuukuthi mhlawumbe mangabe umama ekhaya ukufice uphekile, waba so appreciative, waba so inspired by the fact that umphekele, you know, there's an appreciation. So now as unyambose, you sit there thinking, wow, this actually was really nice for her. I'll do it again. Mhlawumbe I might even take a day, a week ukuthi ke ngibambe nje ibhodwe ukuze yabona kube ne balance endlini, because you are seeing ukuthi mangabe uyenza into kune appreciation instead of ukuthi kuyathulwa nje akubonakala.
We do have a voice note coming from umlaleli weKakasi FM.
Into abafethu indaba eKakasini shosho bafowethu usabza lo Mr Skopolo lakaMakhutha bafowethu. Hayi yazi bafethu inkinga lento ama gift ngoba yazi abanye abantu abanandaba nama gift amantombazane esimanje kona avela kutshena ukuthi umuntu ayimbali ngizozenzani mina ngifuna imali, abanye bathi amantombazane awayifuni imbali afuna imali, yabo nje sekuphelelwa imali, there's no relationship bafethu manje. Hayi mina I don't believe kuleyo nto. I don't know, maybe ngidinga i-counseling ngalezo zinto because ayi bafethu hayi kuningi.
You know, I love the fact that he said there's no relationship kuleyo nto, right? Because you are naming it and you see it. So leyo nto leyo kumele ikutshele wena ukuthi akuyena umuntu wami lona, because clearly this is a transaction. It's no longer about I speak your love language or you speak mine, or how do I show you what love looks like for you or for me, but kukhulunywa njengemali. If a relationship is transactional, then it's no longer a relationship, it's a financial institution akhona ama-bank.
Nanokuthi uma usuthenga izimbali usufundise ukuthiwa ayithenge sekufanele ufake imali kuzona.
Right, ngiyayibona leyo trend.
Umsangano leyo nto leyo.
Ngiyayibona leyo trend.
Nje uyabona nje.
Umsangano wento.
Again, I think we must be very clear about what is true and what is real and what is not. Right?
Yeah.
When there's entitlement, it stops being a relationship. It stops being about love.
Sengikhombekile.
Usukhombekile, and you are. So there's a difference between I'm communicating to you what makes me feel loved, and we are in a relationship that's mutually edifying. Kunokuthi wena nje udemanda indlela ethile yokwenziwa kwezinto, and it can only go one way, imali. Imali is not a love language.
Khona bajolela indlala.
Again, that's not love, right? So you are using a different situation to deal with a relationship. That's not a relationship. Musukujolela indlala. Jolela ukuthi uyamthanda umuntu naye uyakuthanda. If lo muntu ekuthanda eyibona indlala empilweni yakho, then the desire to speak your love language is to say, man, ngiyambona umuntu wami ukuthi kunama challenges anawo. How do I meet her needs? But it's not something that when all of a sudden you are just entitled to or you expect just because they can help.
Ngomakhutha mina I love language yomuntu wami uyathanda usingiphekela endlini, uyathanda usingiphekela endlini noma siya out, but into ayithanda kakhulu yena uthanda ukuthi ngimphekele endlini. So I think iyona into ayithandayo leyo, because nambele ngithanda ukupheka. Eredi mnande mini popo.
You know, there's an old saying that a way to a man's heart is through his stomach, right?
Yeah.
So again, what is that communicating? In essence, ngalesingisi lesesikhuluma njengamanje ukuthi it's an act of service. And most of us are doing acts of service on a daily. Siyapheka, sihambisa abantwana, siyababuyisa, siyabalanda. Like if I'm here and I'm not able to pick up the kids, in fact, acts of service. We are doing this stuff all the time, and I think sometimes we trip ourselves up because it's been given new names. But you actually need to think about, how am I doing this in my daily life, and what else can I do to improve and keep growing in understanding lo muntu engihlala naye, engiphilisana naye.
Wizam, my final question to you is, mo nomuntu onga appreciate mo wenza izinto for yena, udila kanjani naleyo nto?
You know, I think sometimes we are not speaking the same love language, right? So uthola ukuthi mhlambe wena you are doing acts of service, but the other person actually their love language is affection. So then it's very difficult for them to be appreciative of what you are doing, because they're not feeling the love the way that they feel loved. So I think sometimes it's a matter of, okay, mfethu ngibona ngathi ngiyazama ukuthi ngikutshengise indlela engikuthanda ngayo ngalezi indlela, but ngibona ngathi akukho a sense of appreciation. How would you like me to show you love? And I think I guess engage a curiosity kuma relationships ethu. That's what helps us to grow in our relationships. If we just engage questions before we accuse. You know, blame, neediness creates blame, but love creates clarity. You know.
Sengibuzile ke Zama, and I can, and it's quite clear ukuthi ngidila nomuntu ongaappreciate nje in general. Then what?
Then it's clear ukuthi you are not able to then work with each other. If ukuthi nisemjolweni, then it's a case of we can go our separate ways. If you are in a marriage and there is a lack of appreciation, and you've spoken and you've expressed your needs, and the other person has also expressed their needs, and you're somehow not finding each other and common ground, then that's when we say to go look for help. So that mhlawumbe there's a neutral person who's able to help you navigate the space enikuso, because that tells me that issue is deeper than I just don't want to speak your love language. There is something ingrained in you that says I don't see you.
Sikuthola kanjani mase siqhumana na?
Lapha kwa Instagram uZamalinda X, lapha kwa TikTok it's Coach Zamalinda, kwa Facebook uZamalinda Macebe Khulu Xulu.
Gagasi FM.